Today I'm here to answer some questions that you've sent in. Here we go. What's the best course for security guards?
We are.
Just say ours, of course. Here at Smith Security with our training platform, Training Center Canada. Ultimately, the ministry has requirements that everybody, if they're going to offer training, has to be compliant. So everybody might have a compliant course, but that doesn't mean the platform or the actual course is laid out in a user-friendly and engaging way. So, I can hand you a piece of paper and I can also show you a video, right? So which one are you going to interact with better? So not every course is built the same. Though it could be compliant, it doesn't mean it's the same. So our course for security, for instance, is a 40-hour course, which is mandated by the province. So you have a component of that, which is the actual security guard training itself. And then a component of that time is your CPR first aid training. So our platform, for instance, you're going to come on, all of the modules are timed, which ensures that compliance. Our courses are fully narrated, so you can either listen to them or you can read them depending on your learning style.
We all just want what's best for you.
We have lots of videos and informative information throughout the courses so that you really feel confident. Because again, it's one thing to just read or hear about the industry. It's another thing to actually hear industry experience.
But experience is the best teacher.
Right? A guard having this happen on a site that they're working on, or whatever different issues or problems that could come up within the industry. Our course is going to be packed with all the information that you need, and we have mock courses that can be taken, mock exams, excuse me, that can be taken throughout to make sure that you're fully understanding the industry. And we also have an exam prep that we sell individually for $19.99 that you can take. That has a few hundred questions on there that you can really feel confident before you go and write that exam. So, in terms of the best course on the market, we have individuals who've purchased courses elsewhere and then came and took their course with us because they ultimately just wanted to be with the best. So definitely going to be biased in saying that, but feel free to give us a try. Our course is $99.99. It can be purchased on our website, trainingcentercanada.ca.